Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today we're going to be drawing my favourite animal ever. It is the quokka. I absolutely love these little smiley creatures. So get yourself some plain white paper. You'll need a pencil, an eraser, a black pen, and also some round objects to draw around just to help, or you could use a compass or just draw it freehand. And don't forget, if you like drawing animals, you can download my free PDF of how to draw horse galloping, which you'll find just here. Ta-ding! Let's get started. So start off by drawing two circles. You can either use a compass, do this freehand, but I've got myself some parcel tape because it's just about the right size. So I'm going to pop it here and draw around the inside. And then I've just got a little can of paint, so that's about the right size too. I'm going to draw that one. I'm just doing it to the top right hand diagonal corner of this other circle. You can do this all freehand. I just can't draw circles very well freehand. So there we go. Fantastic. Now we're going to join up this circle and that circle. So just about here, we're going to draw a curved line from there to there. So just a curved line like so. Okay, next we're going to do the same, but starting just here. And then we're going to do another curved line just to about here. So there we go. This is going to be the quokka's chest. There we go. Now we're just going to pencil in the arms. So there's one there and one there. Next, we're going to pencil in the quokka's leg. Now remember, if I'm going too fast for you, please hit pause and rewind. So just draw a leg there. And then now for the tail, we're going to draw a curved line just coming out round like this. So random quokka fact is that you find them on the island of Rottnest, just off the western coast of Australia. And okay, sorry, we're just going to do the ear now. And also, they've been called the world's happiest animal. And you'll see why. Another ear here. Okay, now we're going to draw a triangle. So I'm just going to pencil in the corners. I want one corner there, and one corner up here. Okay, you can either use a ruler, or I'm just going to do this freehand. Just going to join up the dots. There we go. And right in the middle of that triangle, we're going to draw a circle. This is going to be the quokka's nose. And then two little circles on either side. This is going to be the eyes. And I'm just going to pencil in a little furry muzzle. So just like that. And then a little chin. And that's stage one. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit more detail, and while we're doing it, I'm going to use my eraser and start erasing parts. So we're just going to get rid of this line here. There we go. And we're going to add the leg. So drawing a line just about here is going to be top of the leg, and we have a little knee here coming down just like so. Then we just do the bottom part of the leg. You can use kind of like sketchy lines just to show that it's furry. Now we're coming round to the tail. Now we're going to go back to the back again. Back to the back. And we're just using these furry lines all the way down the back and all the way down for the tail. Now, while we're doing this, we're going to erase that preparatory line that we put in. There we go. Let's get rid of them all. Don't need those lines anymore. Go away. Fine. Okay, now we're just going to pencil in the foot. And then the little toes, just like that. We'll get rid of this preparatory line as well as we go along. Fantastic. Now for the arm. So that starts round about there. Bring it round like so. And then also the front part of the arm. Stop just there. We're going to erase this preparatory line, but don't erase it too much because we still need to know where the arm's going to go. So the little hands come round like this. Shouldn't really say hands, should I? Pause. There we go. Bring them round, just like that. Okay, next bit, we're going to do the other arm, just poking in, just behind here. So do one line there, and the other little hand or paw tucked around behind that, and follow that preparatory line that we did before. Okay, now we can erase this one, and we can erase that one too. Starting to take shape. I'm also going to raise this line, but again, just enough so that I can still see where it goes. And then I'm going to do lots of furry lines, all coming all the way round, all the way down. There we go. Lots and lots of fur, just like that. And then the fur carries on down here, furry belly, just like that. Let's carry on there. And then I'm just going to draw the other foot just tucked out, just around there. Just behind. There we go. Okay, we're getting there. Now for the head. We're going to start off with just erasing this circle, just enough so that we can still see it. But we're going to do a more natural shape for the head. So just using these little furry lines, just come round, and then the quokka's got these ginormous big cheeks, and just go slightly up like this. So the way that I can describe this is like a bit like an upside down heart shape. So I'm going to do the same on the other side, big chubby cheeks, and it comes up. Just like that. Can you see the heart shape? There we go. Next, we're going to perfect these ears. Just add some furry lines to them. There we go, some furry lines inside. And the same with the other one, just peeping out from behind. Okay, onto the fun part. We're going to do the nose. So erase that circle in the middle. We don't want that circle anymore. We're going to draw a more realistic nose. There we go. And then it's got a line down the middle. Looks a little bit like a dog's nose, sort of. And then comes up like this. Same on the other side. Up like that. There we go. All the way down. Now I'm going to raise this line on the inside. There we go. And we're going to do the top lip. This is what makes the quokka look like it's smiling all the time, because the lip kind of goes up at the edges, just like that. I really want to see a quokka in real life. I can't wait. My husband brought me back a cute little soft toy quokka, but that won't do. I want to see it in real life. Okay, so little chin, furry lines, showing where it is. There we go, all the way up to the mouth. Same on this side, all the way up to the mouth. There we go, just make it a little bit darker underneath the mouth, like this. And a little line there. Okay, we're on our way to finishing it. Now let's get rid of this triangle and the circles where the eyes are going to be, but again, don't rub out too hard so we can still see where they are. I can still make out that the eyes are just there. So we are going to do a line just coming down like that, and the same on the other side, just following where that triangle used to be. There we go. And then we're going to put in the big eyes. So a big eye there. Do some fur around it, and then the same on the other side. A big eye there, and then some fur around it. And then let's just do some reflective light, and then just colour it in. There we go. And don't forget to put in some whiskers. Now, I'm going to go over this in pen and speed things up. And here's our finished quokka drawing. I've just added a few details, just 2 little lines around the nose area and something that looks a little bit like eyebrows. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, click subscribe and like, and if you've got any requests whatsoever, pop them in the comment section down below, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.